Hello everyone, how you doing? I'm Alexandros, this is Andrea, we are from the Island of Cyprus, and once again we're going to be doing a salsa combination, an intermediate salsa combination. No, it's not going to be an advanced, even if it looks a little bit like that, it's not as hard as it looks, okay? So, as I'm trying slowly to turn this channel into a niche and a basic way of working, I first do it with Andrea to music, and then I have a link in the info cards and in the description where you can go and have it without music and count and learn it and teach it to you. Alright? Let's go with the music.